Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the essentials: pain-free shoulders and basic scapular control. Why this matters: a stable shoulder reduces injury risk and improves force transfer. Once checked, pick assistance that matches your strength, band, machine, or partner so you can perform clean repetitions. Do 2 to 3 activation sets focusing on full scapular retraction and controlled negatives. This primes the nervous system. Make sure to breathe and cue your lats, because tension placement dictates efficient pull mechanics. Now you develop strength with targeted progressions that teach both force and position. Use controlled negatives of 3 to 5 seconds or banded full reps, aiming for 3-4 sets in each session. This overloads the eccentric fibers and builds tendon resilience. At the same time, practice accessory moves, horizontal rows, hollow holds, and scapular pulls to fill gaps in core and mid-back strength. Once done, gradually reduce assistance and increase volume by 1 set per week, while keeping technique clean to avoid compensation. To finish each training block, consolidate gains by attempting unassisted sets when you can perform 3 sets of 5 solid assisted repetitions. Why this transition works: it shifts demand to the exact movement pattern while preserving control. Once you achieve unassisted reps, add volume slowly, about 5 to 10% weekly, and include 1 heavy pull day and 1 technique day. If progress stalls for more than 2 weeks, regress to controlled slow negatives and reinforce scapular engagement. This corrects.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.